are building a theme park.
This is the final day of us with our theme park. So today we will be getting grades on them. They will be judging us by like rides and decoration, making sure we stick with our theme. And so we're just trying to build a theme park like an engineer would.
Each group was tasked with making 3 different rides. One was a roller coaster for them to look at potential and kinetic energy. Another was a motorized ride so they can get familiar with using different motors, batteries, and the dynamics of that. And then another moving ride.
So we ran into some obstacles like not being able to make the roller coaster work. Like the roller coaster sometimes would just like break and like the marble would just fly off the roller coaster onto the ground.
Right here, so this is Cloudy Days, our Ferris wheel. We ran into a lot of issues here with being stressed out with it because at first, so we have our dowels on the back of it, so then it doesn't look weird up front. And sometimes it'll like stop it from moving and it would keep falling off. And so it took a while for us to figure out a way to actually get this to work.
They're enjoying it, but sometimes they do have hiccups with the glue, with the tape, making sure things are moving properly. But I think they're really enjoying it and engaged in the learning process.
I just kind of learned there are sometimes going to be limitations in engineering jobs, and like you need to make sure to follow what you are and aren't supposed to do. And it kind of just helped me learn how to be like a better builder and stuff.
I enjoyed the process, just being able to learn how to engineer and build stuff.
I thought it was really fun to do. There were some stressful parts, but other than that, it was really fun.
We're in UAS 2 right now, Unmanned Aerial Systems. In this class, it's kind of an extension from Unmanned Aerial Systems 1. So we're basically going even deeper into our knowledge about drones and flying them and safety around flying them.
I approach it in the two-prong approach simultaneously so that if they choose to, they can sit and take the FAA Part 107 certification. So what that means is they can legally earn money doing drone work.
Down the road, everybody in the class I think is going to take their FAA pilot's license test, which allows us to make money flying drones for just mapping out property, film, stuff like that.
I enjoy working with the students. I enjoy the hunger that they have when they come in. They're all excited to learn, they're eager. They love the hands-on part. I love seeing that light bulb go off when they get it. They're the ones manipulating the controls. And I think that's what's beautiful is they're learning to do it. I'm not doing it for them.
Just flying the drones every day. Just getting out, always having at least some type of opportunity, whether it be on a simulator or the actual mini drones, just getting out and flying them.
But it's really cool to be able to explore this industry or this newfound, still new technology at school and get to spend time at school, you know, learning about drones and how they're emerging into the world today. And yeah, it's really unique because it's just such a new technology that we're getting to learn right off the bat.